Hello everybody, welcome from Tutorial. Today we will learn how to make a zip file in Windows without any software. You see that I am using Windows 10. Now you may ask, why do we need a zip file? You see, I have a group of photos here. Now I want to share this file online so you can download it at once. For this tutorial, I am not using any third-party software. My PC already has a bunch of other zip software installed. But for this tutorial, I just use Windows default zip option, so anyone can create a zip file without any software. Now let's do that. To create a zip file, select all the files you want to zip. Now right-click with the mouse. Go to the Send option. There you will find the compressed zipped folder option. Click on this. Now you see a zip file already created. Rename this file if you like. We are already done. Double-click to view the zipped file inside. Now you can easily send this file to anyone using email or other options to send it to your friend.